So on my other cars, I've always had privacy glass in the kind of rear sides and back. That's always been done by the manufacturer, so as part of the glazing, I guess, at the factory. And that's something that I wanted for the Tesla, but it seems that it's not a factory option, so you have to go the aftermarket route. So on the recommendation of Ed, I've got this guy called Simon from Super Tints, and he's here today to install some tints on the Tesla, and we're going for the limo tint. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's finished. The windows are all done. It looks really good. So you would have seen the time lapse. So you see how on the side windows it actually takes the whole glass out and kind of does it really well. So I just need to wait. He said maybe a few days until it fully kind of dries out. Any kind of little wrinkles or anything will kind of disappear. But I'm really happy with how it's come out. So right now I definitely would recommend Super Tints. They're based in Hereford, but they do travel around kind of all over. This isn't a paid for ad or anything. I'll drop a link in the description, so if you're looking for something similar, then definitely worth checking out. But I think it's a nice kind of subtle yet distinct change from before to after, and inside it's a real kind of nice experience, and you really can notice actually the change in kind of heat absorption. So these tints are kind of also have like a reflective capability, so even when I just put my hand kind of up against this window versus this one, you can really feel the kind of variance in kind of heat reflection. So that means people in the back, so the kids and the dog, are going to be much more comfortable in the hot weather, and it all kind of fits in quite nicely with the roof and everything. So bit of a clean, and then let's get these wheels on, and then we'll be complete. But yeah, thanks Super Tints. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.